In this video, we'll create API tests in bulk automatically using an API test service definition. So to do that, I'm going to jump into the Parasoft continuous testing platform and go to the API testing section powered by Parasoft SOA Test. Here I can create a new test scenario. I have many options to create them from service definitions, empty, from traffic, but here I'm going to choose a Swagger definition, supply the Swagger definition, and create. SOA Test now processes the Swagger definition and creates a client in bulk for every service in this API. I can then go into each of these clients and run them individually or extend them into a full test scenario by simply copying each of the individual clients that I desire and creating a scenario from that. I actually have one that I created ahead of time where I have the service definition tests that I'm using as my baseline. And then I created a very simple transfer scenario where it's going to go in and grab some values out of the account, do a lookup, deposit some new money into the account, and assert that the deposit has taken place. What makes this so easy is that I have many tools at my disposal that allow me to do things like looping, assertions, adding data sources. The tools are all contextually driven, so depending on what section you're in, you'll get different tools. In this particular case, I'm using a couple of different tools: a data generation tool, a databank tool, which allows me to extract and pass dynamic data, and finally, I have an assertion. And all of these tools are designed so that it becomes very easy to build new functionality into them. In this case, maybe an assertion, all without having to write the code for it. So in this particular one, I'm going to assert the type of account that I get back contains the word checking. And I'll just say assert name, save, and it just makes it super easy to have a rich test scenario created in bulk.